morning, Papa.
Get it. Well.
You're the handsomest baby. You know that?
Hi. Hi, cutie. You're just...
My finger. Pull my finger.
Are you pooping? You making snow angels?
Oh my goodness, little girl.
In my ear. Stink ass. Ugh. Yeah, you happy? Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Why are you so proud of that?
Jake! Good job, here.
Go down the dinosaur.
Here you go.
Have a business?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
You ready?
Nana.
Duck.
No! Nana.
You say hi?
You're really an incredible, beautiful singer. You look incredible. I want to just look at you the whole night.
Really? You think you're a doggy? Carmen, is that good? Ah.
You and me and your daddy makes three. Don't need... touch the vacuum. I'm not gonna vacuum. Yeah. Is that your cat? Yeah, it's your cat.
We have this guy here. You know, in hindsight, he looks like he's just tired of, you know, he's trying to get to the grapes over here and stuff, watch some iPad. But clearly, that was too much for him, as he is snoring. Knocked out. This baby is knocked out. Have you ever seen anything like this? I think not.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
What are you trying to tell your mom? I can't understand her.
Coming around to the baby and blueberry bridge. Oh, and we make it through.
Oh. Just like your daddy.
All right, take the top off. You take the top off, Emmy? Here. Take the top off. Right there. You cooking one up?
Ah!
Oh dear.
Oh. No. No. Give her a kiss. Oh. Baba, what's the matter, buddy?
Speak.